driving hand good. Some people if they carry you like this, and I'm a woo. Get road in Aka. Thank you. Hey.
Hey,
now 200 you give me, man.
Yes. How much I forgive you before?
Now 400 I talk. I will give me 400.
You tell me how much you tell me for bus stop?
Now 400
You tell me 400.
Yo, wow.
So we reach here, I can't give you 200. How much I forgive you before?
Now 400 you give me 50, 50, 100. 200 now you give me now.
I give you 50, 50, 100. Now I forgive you 100, 100, 400.
You forgive me 400 naira now. 200 naira I did have one now. 400 me and talk.
You carry me from bus stop.
You wow.
You tell me 400 naira. I enter.
Okay.
I reach here, I give you 200. How much I forgive you before? Hey! You don't understand?
Now 400 naira. Now 400 you supposed to give me money now. 50, 100, 100 naira. Now 200 now.
How many people you carry for bike?
Now only me. And now me and you are carry for bike.
Oh! You carry me and you. Say that me and you there for the bike. And you talk say the bike now 400. I give you 200. So now you go pay the remaining 200. So the only two of us enter the bike.
What?
Eh?
Well,
You carry me, you carry yourself. I go come pay for you, pay for myself. And my go won't name I go come pay for you.
You left problem, Oga. I will give you problem. We left problem now. I tell you now, 400 naira, you go give me 200 naira. Well, 50, collect your money, I need to let come. Okay. They give me 200 naira per what?
Give us some ass. Give us some ass. If your spirit to touch my body, you no go like me.
Oga, you need to be a
I don't give you your money. No try.
Okay, stop. Stop. I know be say you be agent. I will embarrass you for I will embarrass you now. Give me complete my money. They give me 200 naira. Now the trailer I go jam my papa. You know go be for my mama.
Trailer I go jam on nego. This sort of nego. Ya kwa hakabis.
No, jam unegi. You go give me my money when you go give me.
Imagine. What are you doing? Imagine. Hey! Imagine Aboki holding me tight.
What is the problem?
Aboki hold me tight.
Oga.
Hey!
Oga, you want to identify yourself for this matter? The party this morning, and you will bring the place when you're place. For me, you want to give me 200 naira instead of 400. You give me 50, 100.
Instead of how much?
400.
400.
You wow.
Baka. You know say you know me for this village.
I know you.
And since when you know me, I know they look for trouble. From Banana Junction, na there you carry me. You tell me say na 400 naira. You ask them how many people you carry for bike. How many of us there for your bike?
For Benin agency and 2 people we carry. You and plus myself, 2 people.
Oh! Me and plus yourself, what 2 people? Or what 2 people you carry? You carry me from Banana Junction. You tell me 400 naira. No only 2 of us there for bike. I come back here, can't divide the money into 2. Give you 200. Now you go pay the remaining 200. I go come give you 400. Where you carry 2 of us?
Aboki, what you do?
Imagine.
Jesus! You tell him 400. He don't pay 200 for your own head. So now you know as you go use balance the other 200 for your own head. If cannot, can.
Now when they stand, they say if cannot.
Can.
Well, for this one now, you know how much I do buy petrol? Petrol now, what they say 500 naira. I go buy petrol. Pull it I go from Benin just said I want this money for ya 500 naira. I want to give me 200. Well, punish you. What punish when I do when I Jambro Ubanka? Yes, then Nangizaka. Well, I go carry daga. I daga all of now. Then I go. Then the way no get to break you. When you break for anywhere, for you now. What go punish you? A driver from here, 500 naira. If they give me 200, if they tell me can no in a grenade, you go carry. No, can go carry grenades and put your money. If they feed my family, if you not give me my money, yes, yes, I will pay. I will pay.
You know you're Mr. Madman.
I'm telling you because
make you what you want to kill you now.
I don't kill you, you be madman.
You give me 200, you call me
you be madman.
You call me
Baka let me hear that.
Which one want to for what to get 200?
She what?
Say the first confusion after I was saying
Sorry.
You confusion, you know when.
Sorry, I kill you.
I never did today, sorry.
You check me as
I'm the Baka let one leg walk today.
Make I go push am.
Petrol now.
Bye.
Push you, kill you. Let you push yourself. Push your family. Then I go push your generation. Then I go push my mama. You don't go be job for my papa. They say the quest for question for Nigeria, the quest for question. Now question with it.
You never go correction.
You check to me. Three I will job my papa. You don't go be job for my mama.
Thank God, you told me never go corner that.
Who go on with them now?
How do you think I'm going to any hit gaga push we are can for an apple.
I'm gonna be held up about
When you came up with
Jesus!
I think about them.
Jesus!
I think I'm going to marry you. I'll come to the woman, give you a brother with the ticket. I'm attack up your walk, man. I'll come to attack up one, give you a brother. It's a go. Okay. Everywhere we suffer from. Did you suffer anything for me? Not me take my hand, fight my fight. Battle my. You and I was such a cash.